Agro-pastoral livelihoods in the Teso sub-region, like in many parts of Uganda, depend heavily on the climate. But today, that climate is increasingly unpredictable. Erratic rainfall and prolonged dry spells are placing smallholder farmers under growing strain. Production is falling, livelihoods are weakening, livestock are struggling, the environment continues to degrade. In response, the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, together with the World Food Programme, with funding from the government of Norway, implemented a 3-year project building climate resilience for food and nutrition security of smallholder farming households in Katakwi and Kaberamaido districts.
The aim of the project was to strengthen the institutional capacity of the district, but also the communities in addressing the agri-food systems challenges, and then lessen malnutrition of children under the age of 5 years, lactating mothers and pregnant women, and then also improving the economic capacity of these smallholder farmers, including access to post-harvest handling technologies and access to the markets.
The project took on an integrated approach, strengthening institutional capacity, improving food and nutrition practices, enhancing productivity and market access, and promoting climate-smart technologies alongside environmental restoration. National and district teams were trained in food systems approaches and digital tools. Digital agri-food systems were introduced to support data management, traceability, and market linkages.
Just a system that helps us to collect data on agronomic processes. Actually, we track the food value chain from production, handling, processing, and it also encompasses the stakeholders that are involved in production. You can track what we do from wherever you are.
Community-based climate early warning networks were also established, improving access to timely weather information and advisories for farmers. Across both districts, over 160 climate-sensitive agro-pastoral and farmer field schools were established. More than 5,000 farmers gained practical skills in producing nutrient-dense, climate-resilient crops alongside training in business development, post-harvest management, food safety, and value addition. Food-based dietary guidelines were developed for each district, reflecting local food systems and nutritional needs. Community structures, including care groups, village health teams, and health workers, were strengthened to deliver nutrition education, screening, referral, and follow-up services.
WFP trained health workers and village health teams on maternal, infant, and young and adolescent nutrition, as well as on integrated management of acute malnutrition, thereby strengthening malnutrition prevention, strengthening the early detection of malnutrition, but also the referral from community to health facility level. WFP through this was also able to support the capacity of the health facilities by providing anthropometric equipment and also by establishing 200 mother care groups that reached almost 6,800 people with nutrition education, but also on nutrition practices.
As a healthy facility, we never used to put much focus on nutrition. But when we gotten empowered by the trainings done, the equipments that were supplied, we brought in nutrition on board, and it really helped us to fight in some of these diseases. But from the time we brought in this issue of nutrition as a pillar in the facility, we've not referred any case of any maternal anemia.
At the household level, families adopted nutrition-sensitive practices such as kitchen gardening, mushroom production, and organic pest control, improving access to diverse and nutritious foods. Farmers gained improved access to quality planting materials through locally established seed multipliers and community-based cassava multiplication sites. In total, 2,715 farmers accessed high-quality cassava, groundnut, and green gram planting materials, with support from 66 trained community seed producers. Training in improved agronomic practices, post-harvest handling, and storage helped reduce losses and improve quality. In Katakwi, post-harvest equipment further strengthened grain management. Climate-smart technologies were also introduced. 4 solar-powered irrigation systems now support year-round production of high-value crops and livestock watering, covering over 60 acres.
We had really a coaching son. We were not venturing in this vegetable because they need a lot of water, and during dry season, we cannot ferry the water from the borehole. So when FAO now gave us the irrigation system, we are irrigating our gardens. When we grow this vegetable, the money we get is more than the cereal. That's why now all of us, we have turned now in the growing of vegetable.
To boost livestock and poultry production, 2 synchronized egg hatcheries were established, improving access to quality chicks. Community-based breeding programs introduced improved goats and sheep, strengthening local livestock genetics. More than 1,000 women are now engaged in small livestock enterprises, providing quick and reliable income. Veterinary services were strengthened by providing solar-powered vaccine refrigerators and vaccine carriers, improving storage and access to essential vaccines.
We were struggling in an area of vaccine storage and handling, and they brought a fridge that runs 24/7, never goes off. I can say for the very first time, we've not really seen Newcastle being so serious like the way it was previously.
Communities are also restoring their landscapes. Over 300 hectares of degraded land are now under sustainable land management, while woodlots are bringing degraded areas back to life. At the same time, households are adopting cleaner energy solutions. Improved cookstoves and briquettes are reducing pressure on natural resources. Local artisans, many of them women and youth, are producing these technologies with over 1,200 cookstoves already in use. Working alongside district local governments and communities, the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations and the World Food Programme have combined their expertise to address the root causes of food insecurity, climate shocks, and malnutrition. In Katakwi and Kaberamaido, communities are not only recovering, they are building more resilient livelihoods and laying the foundation for lasting scalable impact.
We would like to see the project being scaled up because of the successes it has already registered.
The small-scale irrigation should continue. This area is a cattle corridor area, prone to prolonged drought.